To tell you the truth, it feels like I'm moving into my first apartment. This was a starter for everyone who's misunderstanding where I'm moving. This was a starter for only 6 months, just so I could afford an apartment with an inside bathroom, a kitchen app, a content/beauty room. Okay, let's start packing. This is thoughtful, some wrapping paper and 7 of the big ones. I sold the fridge because where we are moving to, we need a double door fridge. So my mom's coming to get all the food that is in the fridge, because if she doesn't take it, it's gonna spoil. Let's get the fridge ready for her. I didn't think that the apartment I would find would have to make me sell my guys. I still had a food juice I haven't opened, but it's my mother, so it's fine. The fridge is clean now, ready to be collected. Let's pack the How would I talk? Why you look at me like that? Bye. Bye. I'll see you at the new place. My mom and my stepdad just left now, so I gotta keep going. I'm tired. TV is down. The fridge is gone. And the kitchen table is gone. Now it's time to start packing the kitchen. You just wanna rest, take a nap. I'll continue packing later and I'll show you guys my progress. Bye. Not today. hours later, and we are ready to finish this apartment. We are changing the whole aesthetic of my bedroom. I know, don't be mad, but we have to leave the aesthetic at the old apartment. I didn't say so. Modern Homecraft says so. They are a furniture manufacturing factory in Johannesburg that I work with. If you're a real one from last year, you know who furnished our bedroom. They're doing it again this time. So I'm taking bedroom furniture home, and my stepdad is downstairs. It was just 6 months old, guys. I know, I loved it too, but it has to go because Modern Homecraft is also introducing the more aesthetic designs that they have. They're moving away from the traditional designs. Let's see what they got for me. They're gonna bring it tomorrow. Please note that you are still going to see the old bedroom design in other videos that are sponsored that are going to be posted after I have revamped the bedroom. So please take note of that. The bedroom is not empty. This is a temporary sleeping arrangement just for tonight. And just to give you an idea of what it's gonna look like, the height bed going to be at least double the one we have now. And I like it already. I got these from txtrd.za on Instagram. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I couldn't find these at a store. They hand make them for you. Okay, first, this is my bedroom inspo. Just what I requested. Guys, oh, it's the other way around. Is what I asked for. Let's see how it's gonna look like on the bed. I actually got 2 of these. They are the cutest. Actually look like. I will not be able to reveal the whole bedroom design, even though it's gonna arrive tomorrow, until we have curtains back. So River's curtaining is still working on our curtains, and once they're installed, that's when I can show you the bedroom reveal, because it won't make sense if we still have these temporary curtains. And I can't wait to show you guys the progress. We're probably gonna go shopping for like other little items that we still need for the bedroom, but for now